Forgot your iPhone passcode? Don't worry. Here's a safe and legal way to remove it using your PC. First, connect your iPhone to your computer and open the 3U Tools app. If you don't have it, download it from 3utools.org. Once open, you'll see your iPhone details on the screen. At the bottom, click Backup/Restore. Choose a location for your backup, click OK, then select Backup Now. This process may take a while, so be patient. Once done, go to the Toolbox tab at the top. Under Common Tools, click Erase All Data. Select your iPhone, then click Erase Data. Now, check the box that says, I have read the above reminder in detail, and then click Erase All Data again. This will reset your iPhone without needing the passcode. Once your iPhone is reset, return to Backup Restore and click View All Data Backups. Select your backup and then click Restore All Data. Wait for the restore to finish, and that's it. Your iPhone is unlocked and your data is back. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.